North Idaho is a very popular destination for off-grid living. The land out there is going to be a little bit cheaper as well as compared to Coeur d'Alene, and that's because a lot of it is pretty steep and maybe not super accessible. They also have some pollution issues out that way, so it has polluted some of the waterways out that way. So something to keep in mind. You know, if you're up high enough in the hills, you're going to be above that and may not be as much of a concern. But if you're down in the valleys there, some of the soil and water is contaminated with lead. So keep that in mind. Maybe not ideal for you, but it is good to know about it at least. If you're looking to be off-grid and trying to get really remote, maybe that's a downside. You're not going to be as remote. It's going to be a little bit easier to get down there. Resources are good and easier to get to. That might draw more people to that area. So that's something to keep in mind for sure. It's just not super affordable. You're not going to find cheap dirt here. You're going to have to go out much farther for that. But if you're looking for, you know, off-grid living, close to town with all of the amenities, and you've got the bucks to back it up, then it could be a good option for you. But just keep in mind that downside of it's tricky to get up there in the wintertime. It's doable. They do plow the roads obviously, but it gets pretty socked in and, you know, can be a challenge for some people.